Okay, we have one more section for numb. We'll start on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so let's break it down. We start on the 5th fret of A. We then go to 7 after a whole bar. So these first few notes are all just a whole bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 5th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7th fret, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this section here, 9th fret, 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd beat, we go to the 11th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This is going to be the 12th. And then on 3, we go back to 4, 3, 4. Let's go back to the start. We have 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9th fret. 11th fret. 12th fret. 4th fret. Then we're back to the 5th for a whole bar. 3, 4. 7th fret for a whole bar. 3, 4. And then we're going to go to 4. And we have a whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And we'll have this huge slide here. So let's go back to the start one more time. And just put that on hold for a little while. So back to the 5th fret of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7th fret. 2, 3, 4. 9th fret. 2, 3. 11th fret. 12th fret on 1. 4th fret on 3. 1. 5th fret. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 7th fret. 3, 4. 4th fret. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let me slide to the 16th fret. Okay. So, well, we slide up 1 octave is what we do. We slide up 12 frets. Okay. So from the 4th to the 16th. Okay. So let's have a look at how we're gonna do this. Not much changes in terms of like how to slide. The sliding technique is the same as always. But we do really need to make sure with this slide, because it's so long, we need to make sure that we look at the target fret, which is that 16th fret on the A string. So we play our note and we look at the 16th fret. We hold a pretty firm grip on the string while we move our finger up. You should sort of feel the frets a little bit under your fingers. You should feel how you're crossing the frets, but not too much. It's a bit of a, it's just like a train on rails. You have your little steps there. So now the slide is also going to give us a bit of a slant. We're sliding in like that with the fingers slanted. Now if we just went straight like that, that would be kind of uncomfortable. You can kind of feel it in the joints if you do that. So what you need to do is turn your wrist a little bit as you move down the string. Okay, so let's go back to the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So this lasts from 4 to 1. It not only is it a long slide, it actually lasts a pretty long while as well. So 4, 1. It's a whole quarter note. An entire quarter note, I should say, because it's not a whole note. Okay, so it's a quarter note from this fret, from the 4th fret to the 16th fret. 4, 1. And now a little bit more is going to happen right after that. So actually what I would do is when I get to this 4th fret is I would kind of start counting 8th notes in my head, because we're going to play some 8th notes there. We're actually going to play some dotted quarters, but we're playing on the end. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we land the slide on 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we play the 14th fret on the end after 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then the 16th fret again on the 4. So I'm gonna do the whole slide now as well. So 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's how it ends, and that's the whole thing.